Hi guys, it's Danny again from Silk Flora. We had a great response last week for our mauve flowers, so I thought I'm gonna do another one with our Boho Collection. Now, I'm very excited about this because I handpicked every single one of these items and I am really happy to show them to you. So we have a few different bits and pieces here, so I'm gonna start with our bunches. I'm not going to be able to talk about all of them, but feel free to message me or send me an email or come to the shop. We're 109 to 111 Parameter Road, Annandale, and you'll be able to see the whole range, okay? So quickly, our coffee roses in a bunch. This has been amazingly popular, very happy. They come also in this beautiful like a champagne creamy tone. We have these lovely blush roses. How good are they? Nice and large and very cost effective too. Another popular, guys, look at them. These are so pretty. We have our chrysanthemums. This is more like the traditional type. It's a creamy color, which is really beautiful. And then we have our blush and peachy tones in the smaller ones. So nice. Now, moving on to our flower stems. My favorite of them all is this beautiful nude hydrangea. How beautiful is this? I'm in love with them. So nice. We have a whole range of flowers in these tones. So I'll show you here our dahlias in this creamy color, very pretty. Also in this dusty pink, like a peachy undertone. I don't know what color you should call it, but we call it light pink. Our beautiful real touch roses, and they're gorgeous. This one too. And then this guy has been extremely popular. I ordered closer to 1,000 blooms of these and they got sold up pretty quickly, so some more coming my way. I still have some if you're interested. Like, how good are they if you reflect them that way? They come in this cappuccino color and in this orange, like a burnt orange color, and they're just amazing. So on to other fresh touch, which is our Stella in this lovely champagne peachy tone, really pretty. Our anthuriums, how nice are they? They're really pretty. Also in the maroon color, they're great. We have a couple of different types, like a shiny and a matte color. Now these guys are amazing. We have some lovely king proteas. You have in this dusty pink color and in the cream traditional color. I mean, they just scream boho. All our natives are just so nice. They go really well with this boho style. This fluffy is our wattle in white. We also have them in the yellow, which is the traditional color, but we got them in this white color, which is just so nice. Adds beautiful texture to our arrangements. And then you have all these other ones, some roses here, some lovely agrevilleas, blushing bride, gelatin wax. These are all great for boho style. Now quickly I'm going to show you our foliage, greeneries, texture, gum nuts, all this sort of thing. The most popular items we have are these pampas. Look at them. I love them. They're so nice. They look white and the sun color. We have some beautiful leucadendrons and some brown foliages there. Now this has been a hit. Our brown short leaf bunch. They're so nice. They look so real too. Some magnolia foliage with the brown back also looks really good for the boho. Our eucalyptus real touch in brown and green. They look so real too. They are amazing and they feel so soft. I love them. Now we have some lovely eucalyptus in the peach and the cream color. Really cool. Now we have some nice flowering gums here, all sorts of them. These guys come in 3 colors, but the dusty pink is really cute. And we also have this one. Look at the detail of the leaves. They look just like the real thing. It's fantastic. So those ones, we have some gumnuts as well, just to add that lovely big texture kind of type of element into your bouquets. Comes in this green and in this one with lovely long foliage. This particular one comes also in a gray tone, which is really cool, nice and long for garlands and big installations. What else do I have here? Our Astilbe, we have them in this color and in a lovely, in a cream color as well. So we have them in these 2 tones. Our amaranthus, which are fantastic, also comes in red and green, but the cream suits really well our boho style home. Okay. Oh, this is the red here on the gumnut and the white. Now these lovely leaves, I don't know the name of them, I'm gonna be honest with you, but they are fantastic. It's got that lovely variegation to it, so it makes them very interesting. Some scabiosa pots here, which are also really cool, and our peppercorn. Look at these guys, these are so pretty, and I love them. So good. I have also some nice proteas here just to finish off, and some more eucalyptus in this grayish tone. Looks so nice. And what else do I have here? Some kangaroo poi just to finish our boho collection now, and all different bits and pieces, and you know, some twigs and some branches, you name it. Some nice orangey foliage. Anyway, this is quickly just I wanted to show you what we have and what you can find. We have lots of different styles for you to mix and match. If you want something in particular, please let me know, send me a message. I just also wanted to quickly show you our baskets. We have some beautiful macrame baskets, some brown sort of jute type in the natural color in the cream, and some lovely starches and some ribbons to complement your bouquets. So I hope you like the video. Let me know what other type of flowers you want me to make a video of, so I can show you our range. And thanks again. Bye bye.